Fundiendo core es la que hay, ay, 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 ay. Quien no anda corre es la que hay, ay, 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 ay. Fundiendo core es la que hay, ay, 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 ay. Yeah. Quien no anda corre es la que hay, ay, 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 ay. Whoa, se despega.
Samsung's next Galaxy A series phones just leaked, and the prices might surprise you. The Samsung Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 prices have now leaked, and the launch could happen as soon as next month. Samsung is preparing to introduce two new smartphones in its popular Galaxy A lineup, the Samsung Galaxy A37 and the Samsung Galaxy A57. A new leak has now revealed their possible pricing in Europe, along with an expected launch timeline. The report comes from Dealabs. According to the leak, the Galaxy A37 may start at €449 for the variant that comes with 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. Samsung could also release another configuration offering 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM, which might be priced at around €529. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A57 is expected to be slightly more expensive. The base model, featuring 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM, could reportedly start at €549. The higher variant with 256 gigs of storage may be priced at approximately €599. One particularly interesting detail from the report suggests that Samsung might introduce a 512 gigs of storage option for the Galaxy A57. This would be quite unusual for the Galaxy A series, since these devices typically do not include such high storage capacities. If this version does arrive, the 512 gigs model could cost around €799. However, it is still unclear whether this storage option will be available globally or limited to certain markets only. Earlier leaks and renders have also revealed the color options for both devices. The Galaxy A37 could launch in graphite, white, dark green, and lavender colors. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A57 may arrive in gray, blue, light blue, and lavender variants. For now, Samsung has not officially confirmed the pricing details of these devices. The report further claims that Samsung may officially launch the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 in Europe on April 10. However, the company has not yet confirmed the launch date, so we will have to wait for an official announcement. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 prices? Let me know in the comments section.